James Marin, yet again, the clinical co-founder of Meelio, helping you better understand and, more importantly, better use Meelio so your practice can thrive and your patients can thrive. So here we are. I want to make you something aware. This one's a quick one. But it's very, very important. So if you're not aware, you can refer your friends and colleagues and you get something back. So let me show you that. So you might have seen the pop-up of the Refer and Earn program that Meelio is running. Now, if you are not seeing that pop up anymore, what you can do is go into your settings, and to the left here, you'll see referrals. This will give you your referral link. You can copy that link. You can also share your specific code. You can even screenshot and download your QR code, however you want to use this. I'll show you the easiest way that we're using this, but right here is where you can earn $79 for every practitioner who subscribes. So if you, like us, have a lot of practitioner friends, we are sharing this code like crazy so we can get a little something from Meelio. As if you're not already getting enough, the AI is amazing, HIPAA secure, encrypted. It does so much, but you can still refer using your code and make a little bit more. And I'm going to show you really quickly the way we like to use this. It's super easy. So you have like 3 ways there. Again, your direct link, your code, or the QR code to refer. But for us, one of the easiest ways we like to use this is if you're already using something like beacons. So this is like the little smart widget that goes into your social media, and you can control all your links here. So as you can see, we have Meelio right at the top to use our link to refer different providers. Another way we like to use this is in our newsletters. We add it to pretty much in our newsletters. And again, with beacons, or if you can use a different program, whichever you use, you're seeing that right there in your social media header, in your About Me information, and you're able to then click that and check out your Meelio link. So if you click that, it takes them right back to our Meelio website. They are also rewarded with 1 month free. And so it shows them that the person you're inviting gets 1 month free. They're able to use the code and they're able to get started with Meelio for free. Plus, you get this great credit to keep using Meelio as if you weren't already, but you get this great credit on top of that. So us here at Meelio, we're always trying to give back. We know how hard you work. We know how hard you're working for your patients, and we always want to give back to you, not just in an amazing AI experience with Meelio, but with great programs where you can refer your colleagues and make it win-win. So if you're not already, try Meelio for free. You can use your friend's link, your colleague's link, you can use our link to sign up, get a free month, as well as in the future, use your referral code to help others find and experience Meelio for themselves. Don't wait, click down below, click the link in our bio, try Meelio for free. Make sure you're subscribed wherever you're watching this video so you don't miss resources and education on how to fully and properly utilize your Meelio experience. See you in the next video.